So we've got our bathroom combi wiper set and we've got our bathroom ENJO fill, and I'm just going to show you how quick and easy it is to clean all your glass, your wet wall, your mirrors and things in your bathroom and your wet room. So if you've got lots of shiny, you will love this. So just with the water working as a solvent, I'm just going to take that bathroom fibre, I'm just going to work it in light circular motions, and that's going to pick up all that built up lime scale, soap scum, product residue, etc. I'm just going to wipe the excess water away with the blade to leave it all streak free and shiny. If you've got the window system, the bathroom fibre is a great addition. It makes life very quick, as you can see. It doesn't matter what you do with ENJO, there's never streaks. And because we're cleaning nothing with nothing more than our fibre and water, there's nothing there for the dirt to stick to. There's no product residue, it is just clean. Shower screen, somewhere that so many people cannot stand doing, but you can see here how quick and easy it is. Even with that glove, any of the bathroom fibres, it'll just lift away all that build up that's on your shower screen. Give it a quick wipe with the blade and then the ENJO fill to get rid of any last little spots of water, and you're good to go. It's even great for cleaning the base of your shower, and if you've got a small bathroom area, it can be used for cleaning your flooring too, which is really handy. Just ENJO fill to get rid of the excess water that I've missed, and it's good to go. So you can see how quick is that. It makes life very easy.